jẹ́ kán faṣọ ìdọ̀tí nù yín. Ẹ wá sọ nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ mọ̀. Ẹ má kàn dúró sí comment section kẹ́ máa respond. Ẹ send the request kẹ́ wá. Mo máa rí lọ́dọ̀ láti snare ẹ máa ń lọ káàkiri. Come and explain to us. Báwo ni ẹ ṣe ṣe possible or not possible? Your name is still there as board of trustee Ọláìtọ́ Paul. Tọ́pẹ́ click ẹ̀ àǹtí. Supreme hold on. Mo ń bẹ̀ ni hold on. Jọ. Tọ́pẹ́ click link yẹn. Ọláìtọ́ Paul is still there as board of trustee. And right under your watch, Bukky Jesse sọ wípé 30 million official autopsy. Auntie, you owe it to yourself and to the public. Ẹ wá sọ nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ nípa ẹ̀. I know you well. You are a person of integrity and iṣẹ́ ní ìdọ̀tí. Ẹ gòkè wá, space wà ní box lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Send your request. Come and talk. Ẹ má dúró sí comment section àti ẹ̀yẹ́mọdé. Hold on down.
Supreme Iron Lady, please behave. Chairman, before you go, let me just drop one sentence. Let me drop one sentence. Just one sentence. I'm going off from... Hold on, Chairman. Let me just drop Can you hear me? Let me drop it.
Let me just say it like that.
Carry on, Chairman.
So ẹ̀yin lè máa mọ̀ bó ṣe lọ bọ́ ẹ ní ẹ̀tọ́ láti béèrè lọ́wọ́ pé ẹ̀yin arákùnrin àti ẹ̀yin arábìnrin tó bá béèrè lọ́wọ́ mi o mo ní láti mọ̀ bó ṣe lọ so that èmi náà lè sọ because tó bá ṣì kìíní yẹn ń sìn orúkọ à ń bẹ̀ gàdàgbà so definitely ó imply pé ẹ mọ̀ bí wọ́n ṣe ṣe àpapín ẹ̀jẹ̀ bọ́ bó ṣe pín.
Ẹ kò lè dákẹ́ sí comment section kẹ́ máa sọ wípé kò
kọ́ bó ṣe pín ní wọ́n.
Can explain.
Crunch Queen, let me say something very quickly. You mentioned something about integrity. Are you vouching for this woman that she has integrity?
I will give her the benefit of the doubt, IT.
Oh, no.
But don't vouch. I will give her the benefit of the doubt that she has integrity.
Yeah, but no. She there is integrity around her, but we don't know if she has integrity.
And let me give her the benefit of the doubt.
Hold on. Let me land. If she has dignity and she can dignify integrity, let her come up and address us rather than screaming in that comment section. Her name has been dragged well enough, and she's been quiet about this whole process. And every time we type anything in GoFundMe, her name comes up. So if integrity is just swarming around her and she hasn't grabbed that integrity or embraced it, we can leave her alone. But if she actually wants to dignify herself, she should do the right thing and come up right now and speak to the Nigerian public that have been contributing money into that GoFundMe. We don't want transparency and we do not want any accountability. But can you please engage with Gurexi, Baba, and Muyiwa and actually tell us precisely, because it is clear that you guys have done the secondary autopsy and the secondary toxicology. Can you please just give us a guide, an idea, as close to that 30 million as possible, and actually tell us exactly where you went to do it, which plane crash happened, and how many people died in the plane crash that constitutes 30 million. Otherwise, if we look at the bullet point in that GoFundMe, which of all those items you indicated there have you achieved since the Nigerian public have been donating money into this GoFundMe? It's very simple. Thank you for coming up. Thank you. Guys, I will implore everyone to listen intently and perhaps allow, allow the host to engage with light on for the next 10 minutes. I will actually appreciate if no one interjects.
Thank you for
let the host. Hold on. Let the host take control. Hold on, guys. Let the host take control of his platform. Let the host be. Hold on, light on. Disclaimer. Let's finish. It doesn't matter what I said.
You know,
forgive me for I have sinned. Hold on. Forgive me for I have sinned. So right now, let every panelist just mute their mic, including myself. Let's allow the host to engage with light on for the next 10 minutes without anybody interjecting.
Never fake God that enjoy our power tap. Me ni play more. Never to power tap. Please power tap, please. Thank you. And if all go must see you. Emma stop Emma ba continue. Emma fake agbadun.
Even if their name is mentioned. Thank you, host. Light on, carry on.
First of all, I'm not in legal team, okay? I'm not in legal team. Because my name is in GoFundMe, it doesn't mean that I hold the money or the money go into my account. Clearly, I support Yomi too. I have all the receipts and be sending money. When they collect money for Mohbad, I send money to Mohbad too. So talking about money, I don't know. I did not collect money from GoFundMe. Clearly, I have my own business that I'm doing. If I bring all my receipts, and be selling money to this thing, you will scream. Emma Pariwoni, Shodawo fun Mohbad. Yes, Modawo. Odawo fun spending prime boy to filosi red berekete. Yes, Modawo. Tibade Ndawo 150,000, 200,000 motion daniye. Ito ida fun Yomi. Yes, Modawo. Kilo wonu go fund mi fe se laye mi kilo fe la, so fe la mi ni. I'm the first person to go for that was go for me. Check it out. When you look at it, go for me, you will see my name. Not one time, not two times, not three times. And the one bill will go for me, Lord, making a fish. What am I going to do with GoFundMe money? How much is GoFundMe money? 50,000. Can't no money if I be motion business is motion because she Daniel 50,000 yen ma kole. Come on, am I better go for me, Lord, me more, please, I'm begging.
Crunch Queen mentioned your name, and I will be very happy.
Nothing. They ask, I will put money. When they ask for your money, I move forward through what they call it. 10 logo. I send 100,000. I have my receipt. When they collect it from Mohbad, I send 100,000. When they're collecting for Primo, I said 100,000. A machine of 100,000 here now. It's almost to $1 million. Killer wants will go for me. What am I going to do with the GoFundMe money? Tell me more autopsy ni. I better know what autopsy now. Come on. Don't be supporting you. Mean pay more now. I spend my own money too. Am I better will go for me? Yomi, I will support Yomi.
Ṣé wọ́n fi àtẹ́wọ́ pípa ṣe ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ yìí ni nǹkan tí ò yẹ kó pàtẹ́wọ́ sí á pàtẹ́wọ́ èyí tí ò yẹ kó rẹ́rìn á rẹ́rìn.
Sele, let me engage her. Lights on, Auntie. I called you out not for anything because you and I are.
Wait, quick.
We've been saying this from day one.
I think the IT guy gave the guy a
Let's be respectful and let's leave the old. Now, Iron Lady, can you mute yourself or someone mute Supreme Iron Lady?
Yes,
someone needs to mute this lady. Now, hold on. We don't want any woto on this matter. This is serious. Now, host, within the power that you've got, right? Just look for the questions and think like any of us and just ask the question. I don't want one person to carry on talking. It becomes a monologue. engage her for the next 10 minutes, ask questions, let her answer the questions. But let's leave you guys for the next 10 minutes. It is useful for us to do that, because if we bring these big figures into this process, there will be a fight within 1 minute. Please, host, please engage for the next 10 minutes, please. Hold on, African TV. Let them just do this. Yes.
No,
Yeah,
hold on. There is a big mistake. Hold on, let's correct this. Hold on, there's a big mistake. Sorry, I need to bring this up. The host is not the one that has been calling her out. Crunchy Queen, I believe, is in a very good position to engage her for us to get clarity.
Okay, that's fine, African TV. Let's ask the host. Now, hold on. Let's ask host. Host, do you agree to African TV's suggestion?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let everybody know themselves. Okay. Now let's lay down the rules. You guys have worked together before and you've engaged in the past. No personal question. Yeah. No personal question. We need to look at this objectively. We need to look at it with sort of like authentic, nitty-gritty kind of aspect at a very high level when we are asking direct question to the matter, on point. No personal questions. You guys have 10 minutes. Engage. No fight, no shout. Allow one person to finish when you ask your question, and no long answers. Let's have a proper dialogue slowly.
Can we bring Miss Light on to the big screen, please? Thank you.
Well, yeah, I mean, it's up to the host to do that. I can't really. Yeah. So if she says she's in the spotlight, no personal question, no long answers. Let's have a proper dialogue between two people. Let's have a flow. But let's not have a fight. So 10 minutes, you guys. Off you go.
Thank you. Light on. The only reason why I said you should come up is on the 30 million autopsy. When Bukky Jesus said that was what they used, that was the amount they used for the autopsy, and that has to do with the GoFundMe money. So the only reason why I say you should come out to explain is because you are still part of the board of trustees. And basically because you and I have interacted personally beyond the black app. We've interacted in an amicable manner, respectfully, on the green app. That is the only reason why I said you should come up. When I saw you in the comment section, you are the only one within the board of trustees at this point in time who can tell or explain what you know about the 30 million used for autopsy. Accountability is still coming to you because your name is there. You, Muyiwa, Bukky, Jesse, and Baba Mohbad. You'll have to answer for it. So because I saw you here, that's why I called you out, not for anything. And because I see you go to other platforms too. That's why I called you out, and I didn't insult you. I just said, come up. And why shall I? Kill them money, but 30 million for autopsy. What do you know about it?
20 points from day one.
No, hold on, auntie. The discussion is only about the 30 million autopsy, not any other donation. Allow me to finish now.
Hold on, Commissioner. Hold on, Commissioner. Crunchy Queen.
Not any other thing.
Crunchy Queen. No, you hold on. Crunchy Queen. Hold on. No. We put a disclaimer in place. We need to adjust it. We can't allow this. Stop saying that. Just calm down a bit. Calm down. Let me speak to Crunchy Queen. There's something wrong somewhere. Let me speak to Crunchy Queen. Let me speak to Crunchy Queen. Now, Crunchy Queen, calm yourself down, calm down your tempo, and stop explaining yourself. We don't want you to explain yourself. We want a direct dialogue between two people. For example, I will say to Lighton, how are you doing this evening? What do you think about this GoFundMe? He has your name on it. The public actually have issues right now that there hasn't been any delivery in the last 12 months. Now that you've put your name on it, what can you attest to that we can accept, with the members of our public can accept as the good things that has been done or will be done with this GoFundMe? On the grounds that if it is true that 30 million naira is used for toxicology and autopsy, what will be left in that, and what have you got to say about it? If we put it that way, it's easy for people to kind of answer your question without it seemingly deemed as a vendetta or catching up on previous.
Guy, I think you are the one who is trying to make a mountain out of a molehill.
No.
The way I approach her,
it's because
not
you
like a vendetta.
What I'm trying to say,
it's not
the reason why the other guy bought it is that it's beginning. Yes, what I'm saying is, let's keep it simple. Let's keep it simple.
Let me tell you.
Let's give you guys another chance again.
About 30 million.
Okay, let's give you guys another chance again. Carry on. Let's give you another chance again.
It's the same way I helped
Let's give
for the first time.
Light on.
I don't know
You've been
anything
doing
about
well.
30 million for toxicology or autopsy.
Hold on.
I told you. I'm not a
Light on.
Yes, I'm hearing.
Light on.
Okay.
Light on. I've given you a little guide. What the guide I'm giving you is that your name is on something.
It doesn't matter. My name is there. It doesn't matter.
You see, that is it. I think that is the.
My name can be there. It doesn't matter. Don't you go in
I'll leave it to the host.
I told you. I don't know anything about the account. The money is not going to my account. I don't think that if the money going direct to my account, I will do accountability.
Please,
Sorry. Did you hear me?
You are not being fair. We all
The money is not going into my account.
Mommy, lights on. Please hold on. Okay, please hold on.
Please
Hold on. I don't think you are being fair. I don't think you are being fair to Country Queen. We all know Country Queen. That is
exactly. I don't know why he's going all that route on the
The problem is because Lighton is
Don't worry, don't explain.
Listen.
No.
Lighton is responding negatively.
There's no need.
So, but why don't we just leave them alone for now? Let's just leave them now.
Lights on.
Let's leave them now. Let's leave them now.
Everybody can ask questions. It's okay.
Lady, let's leave them now. Let's just leave them to the show.
We like for 3 minutes. Very supporting. Everything.
So, Crunch Queen, please ask your question in 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 52 seconds. Light on, then she will answer the questions. Thank you, ma.
Thank you. Lights on. You are not getting this thing right. As a part, as being a member of the board of trustee, you have a responsibility on that GoFundMe. Kò kàn mí ò sí ńbẹ̀, aunty. Abẹ́ mọ̀ tún mọ board of trustee ni. Kò kàn mí ò sí ńbẹ̀, orúkọ yín wà ńbẹ̀ gbàgàdà. You are accountable for every pound, every penny. Ignorance is not an excuse in this case, my sister. Your name is there. If anybody clicks that link, orúkọ yín gbàgàdà ló wà ńbẹ̀ Ọláìtàn Paul. You can't say you don't know. I'm being honest with you. Your name is there. You are accountable. You are responsible for every expenditure. Mo fẹ́ jẹ́ kó yé yín ni o. I'm being honest, aunty. So tẹ́ ẹ bá tọpinpin tẹ́lẹ̀, ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní tọpinpin sí. Because if anything is going down on that GoFundMe, aunty ẹ lè escape ẹ̀. Orúkọ yín wà ńbẹ̀. Your name is there, black and white. Anybody clicks that link. Joseph Aloba, Muyiwa Ayodele, Ọláìtàn Paul, Bukola Jesse. Ẹ wá sọ wípé ẹ mọ bó ṣe lọ. Nobody will believe you. Board of trustee comes with responsibility, auntie. Board of trustee comes with accountability. Ignorance does not hold water in this case. That is why I say you should come up. Ẹ wá sọ nǹkan tẹ́ mọ̀ nípa ẹ̀. That's all. You can't say you don't know, auntie. BOT. Not be just title, oh. It comes with responsibility. I mean, I know them all. For your name to be on that document, you are answerable to the public. You are. Nobody will listen to you. Nobody will listen to you, auntie. Nobody. This is public money. This is public donation. Somebody came up and said 30 million was used for autopsy. Everybody's name on that board of trustees is accountable. They will explain. They will explain, auntie. Anyone sanwó fún hospital will not know. Where are the expenditures? Where are the receipts? Accountability can be done with justice for Mohbad, not at the end. Ignorance is not an excuse, auntie. Your name is there. You're a board of trustee member. Responsibility ni. And it also comes with accountability. Tí wọ́n ní ara bá jáde ń go fund me. You should know. Tẹ́ bá dé mọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀, ẹ bí wọ́n. Ẹ pé Bukky, báwo lẹ ṣe ná 30 million? Ta lẹ sọ fún? Who is the pathologist? Clinic wo lẹ ti ṣe? Ìlú wo lẹ ti ṣe? Àwọn mélòó lẹ ṣe fún? You are very close to Muyiwa. Ẹ pé Muyiwa, báwo lẹ ṣe ná 30 million? Thank you.
Unmute your mic, ma. You have the mic, ma.
Please continue.
Okay, so how do you want me to shalaye for what I don't know? I keep on saying the money is not going to my account. Why am I going to accountability for the money that is not going to my account? Kágbé mi mo gbà account sílẹ̀ from day one. Gbogbo àtàwọn sọ ti fẹ́ gbà account sílẹ̀ ni. Mi náà mo Ọlọ́run ti mọ̀ pé nǹkan báyìí máa ṣẹlẹ̀ tí mi fi fa account mi sílẹ̀. Lẹ́lẹ̀ má béèrè lọ́wọ́ mi. Èló náà gbà lọ́wọ́ mi. How much did you spend? It's not the money is going. It's not going to my account. You need to call Mr. Muyiwa now. You need to call Mr. Muyiwa, please.
We are talking about the expenditure. Inflow ti wọlé, Bukky sọ pé owó ti jáde. Ṣebí Bukky ni misinformation minister àwọn alọ́ba. Òun ló gbé microphone sẹ́nu. Àtìgbà tí Bukky ti sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn, ṣé ẹ̀yin pé Bukky 30 million autopsy báwo lẹ ṣe ṣe? Ṣé ẹ̀yin pé Bukky? Auntie, you are a board of trustee member. You can't change that. You can't weave it around. You can't be in denial. I'm telling you the gospel truth. When the chips are down, the 4 of you listed on that GoFundMe, you will answer for all the expenditure. Every damn penny. You will answer for it. Because owó yín wà ńbẹ̀. Owó public money orúkọ yín wà ńbẹ̀, sorry. Owó public ìdẹ́ni. Fine yẹn dáwó. Many people know ló dáwó. So you are accountable to the public. Your name is there as board of trustee mo ń tẹnu mọ́ because orúkọ yín wà ńbẹ̀. Your name is there. There is no way you can weave this one around. Sentiment ò lè ṣe léyìí. This is reality on ground. Reality, accountability, responsibility. It goes with being a board of trustee member, not just by name. Call Muyiwa yourself because you are both board of trustees member. Call him because I know you are very close to him. Show money for 30 million. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ta lè sanwó fún? You have Bukky Joseph's number. You are very close to Bukky. Ẹ pé Bukky. Until I turn. Ignorance ò lè ṣe léyìí o. Mi ò mọ̀ sí ò lè ṣe léyìí o. Account mi kọ́ ló lò ò lè ṣe léyìí o. People will call you to ask báwo lẹ ṣe ṣe. I'm telling you the gospel truth and I'm not going to lie to you. Mi dẹ̀ ní sọ lẹ́yìn yín. That was why I called you out the moment I saw you in the comment section. I've been looking for that opportunity because our platform tẹ́ máa ń lọ motivate pé mi ò ní sọ̀rọ̀ ńbẹ̀ mọ́. But the moment I saw you here, I saw the chance for them to call you out so that you can explain, not for anything. Kí lẹ mọ̀ nípa ẹ̀ kó fàjà náà ṣe bí ìbéèrè ni. Ìbéèrè ò fàjà. 30 million wájú ọmọdé owó fún autopsy ni. It's the biggest fraud to go down. Please explain, auntie. I beg you. Thank you.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. May I speak now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Mommy Lighton, Ekale, good evening, ma. Epele, Ekusheni. Well done. Maybe I should just explain little things. May I explain in another way? And at that point, you won't be able to say, I know, but for the fact that you have allowed your name to be on that thing, you are responsible. Ignorance is not a defense in law. Nǹkan tó ń mú àwọn èèyàn lọ sí EFCC cell tó ń mọwọ́ tó ń mẹsẹ̀ òun ni nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe yìí. Tí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tó bá di ẹjọ́ tó di wàhálà, Mọ́mí Láìtàn, ẹ máa lọ sí sẹ́ẹ̀lì o. Kò sí nǹkan tẹ́ lè sọ, you are going. Because you are a responsible officer and your name is there. Why? Èmi kàn forúkọ mi sí ni. Adájọ́ ọmọ yẹn o. Adájọ́ ọmọ yẹn. So ìbéèrè tí ìmọ̀ràn tí máa gbà yín sí ni pé it's too late for the meeting. It's too late. Ìbánikẹ́ra.
Sẹ́ẹ̀lì bo mo fẹ́ lọ. EFCC bo ṣé EFCC Nàìjíríà ló máa gbé mi bí báyìí.
Pretend that they are all EFCC members. And also pretend that they are your angels. As EFCC members, you've already indicted yourself. TKC about investigation, Lenny. As a member of that board, Miomo, you have indicted yourself. That is as EFCC members. Now, as your angels, you are being given warning ahead of time to go and double check everything that is going on in that account. So you're getting God's warning, God's blessing to call those people that are your partners in the board to tell them, you heard somebody said 30 million was spent. The first question is it true? You need to know yes or no. Even if they spent 10 million, 30 million, 100 million, you need to know as a member of the board. And then you begin to do your investigation. Where did the money go? Then you can come out in the public and defend what you know. And if you have to remove your name, then you know that you have to remove your name. So don't take this as an attack. Take it as a blessing. Because truly, Madam, EFCC is working on this Mohbad case. DSS, police, this Mohbad case, good people. May the good people not go down for what they know nothing about. So, Madam, thank God that you're here today and pray that you will do the right thing to make sure that you know what's going on and then you can represent yourself properly. That's all I'm going to tell you. And thank you, everybody, for advising her. Madam, it's not an attack. God bless you. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. Actually, I came up here to ask Madam Light on some few questions. Based on her last speech, she kind of tried to make caricature of what people were saying about the money. So